In a town where everyone thinks they know everyone, two teenage girls vanish. But the real question is, who really knew them? In a town where everyone thinks they know everyone, two teenage girls vanish. But the real question is, who really knew them? Shots of fireworks exploding, then fading into a dark, tense atmosphere, papers scattered, photos of the missing girls. This isn't just another missing person mystery. The stakes are personal for Officer Emmy Clifton, whose best friend's daughter is one of the girls. But this story isn't about just finding who did it. It's about uncovering who these girls really were, and what they left behind. From the moment Emmy turns away when her best friend's daughter needed help, things go sideways. The town believes the case is solved, but 12 years later, the suspect is released, and another girl goes missing in the same exact way. Could it really be a copycat? Or did the killer never leave? Now, let's talk about why you need to listen to this instead of just reading it. The performances in this audiobook are killer. You've got Kathleen Early bringing depth to Emmy, pulling you right into her emotional roller coaster. The tension, you'll feel it, like every creak in a floorboard when something's lurking just beyond your sight. One listener called this Karin Slaughter Gold, and they were right. If you've read her Will Trent series, you know what you're getting. Sharp, compelling writing, full of twists and shocking reveals. This audiobook takes you on a wild ride, where you're piecing together clues while getting sucker punched with surprises at every corner. This book isn't just a thriller, it's a psychological game. Every character has a secret, from the sheriff's daughter to the girls' families. And trust me, some of these twists will make your jaw drop. One listener said they saw the killer coming, but the way everything unfolds is what makes it unforgettable. You think you know what's going on, until you realize you don't. The atmosphere, the setting, and the way everything connects. It's like watching a puzzle come together piece by piece, only for the last pieces to explode in your face. So, who's this for? If you love slow burn suspense, small town mysteries, or a deeply emotional look at the secrets that can tear families apart, this is for you. If you love thrillers that'll leave you second guessing everything, where even your closest allies could be hiding a deadly truth, yep, this is your next listen. I can't recommend this enough. The story's solid, the twists are nasty in the best possible way, and the performances next level. If you're into dark, twisty mysteries with complex characters and shocking reveals, then this audiobook should be at the top of your list. Ready to dive into We Are All Guilty here and see if you can crack the case before Emmy does? I've dropped the Amazon affiliate link for this audiobook right in the description below. Click it, grab your copy, and don't forget to let me know what you think of those jaw-dropping twists. Visuals, fade out with slow motion shot of fireworks and ominous music playing. Remember, in North Falls everyone has something to hide.